Hello and good evening to everyone. Today we want to present about the black hole. I'm the first presenter. My name is Fitriati, and second presenter.
My name is Nur Shazwani, and I am the third presenter. My name is Nadia.
Okay, start from me. For the introductions, black hole is the place in the space in which the attractions of the gravity pull is so strong. The black hole also, when the light trapped into it, it cannot get out. And the black hole is not black as mentioned as its name, which black, not it in the form of another colors. And also the black hole comes in two sizes, in which small and also the big. For the smallest one, the black hole, the black hole is small, just only an atom, but it has the mass of the large mountain. For the stellars, which is the another types of the black hole, it has the mass of the 20 times of the mass of the suns. And these stellars black hole mostly in the galaxy, in the Earth's galaxy, in which the Milky Way. And the most largest of the black hole is called the supermassive. And this supermassive has the size of 1 million suns together. For the first, our main point is how to detect the black hole. Okay, how to detect the black hole is to detect by the gravitational influence. So, at the center of the Milky Way, there are the empty space in which the stars are orbiting or circling around, like they're orbiting a very large mass and very dense mass. So, we know that at that place there were a black hole there. And secondly, is by looking at the motions of the stars and the gas nearby, also matter created from the surrounding. This means that the stars, the gas, and also the matters are circling around, created the flat disk called the accretion disk, and these matters really get off the radiations in form of X-ray and also in forms of another electromagnetic radiation. So the scientists from the Earth can detect if there are the black hole presence at that place by the most technologies equipment. That's all for me. So for the second presenters.
I am the second presenter, and I will explain about how do black hole form. So, all shining star burns by hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element. In the core of the stars, some reaction occurs and the lightest element will turn into heavier elements, silicon, carbon, and iron. It will eventually collapse. When the stars start to collapse, some reaction will occur, literally blows the stars apart, and explosion will occur. When the explosion of the stars occur, that is what we call supernovae. When the stars explode, it will experience super explode in the universe. So, the energy in the core, the star have enough energy to squash the atoms in the core of the star, and then the atom in the core will start to combine together, and it will eventually be an empty space. That we call that is the stage of being a black hole. So I've done my part, so I pass it on.
Hello, I'm the third presenter. My name is Nadia. So I'm going to talk about the types of black holes. So usually there are 3 types of black hole, which are stellar black hole, supermassive black hole, and the miniature black hole. So we go for the first one. The stellar black holes is have the like Fitriati said, each of it weighs 10 times more than the mass of the sun, and Stella is formed by the supernova explosion, and the massive supernova explosion must come from at least their weights at least 3 times the mass of the sun, or it cannot form the stellar black hole. So, and this size can grow up bigger than that because they grab dust and gas. And the next one is supermassive. This is the largest type of the black holes. Scientists thought that they are formed when the galaxy forms. So, and it has weight million or billions times as the typical stellar black hole. And the last one is miniature, or we can call it a mini or quantum mechanical black hole, because it is as tiny and it has the mass little less than the sun. It is formed by the pressure of interstellar clouds, and it has weight, a little less than mass of sun. So that's all about the 3 types of black holes, and I would like to conclude that our universe has many black holes, either identified or unidentified one, but still it has not fully the scientists haven't fully discovered what is it in our universe. So I remember one quote saying that the darkest night produces the brightest star. So it's the same with our universe, which it has a black background, but then it has the shining dots of something, and it's hidden, and we as a student have to cover what is it and find out what's the unique things about our universe. So that's all from us. Thank you.